Hey guys, Tim McAmis out in the shop tonight, and I got some new products to talk to you about. What we've got here is some hoses and fittings that are crimped. So the hose and fittings are crimped on, which is kind of the standard now. You know, we've been doing this a long time, so we've been up through the evolution of all these hoses and fittings, from steel braided line to reusable ends to crimp, early edition crimp-on stuff. Now the trend is to really have the lightweight, cloth braided, matching hose ends. So this stuff is super nice. We've been using these for a long time. These are fully crimped, so they're not reusable. But what we've done is we've created a system on our website that will allow you to build your own hoses and then let us crimp them and send them to you ready to bolt on the car. So you can start off by picking your AN size, and then it'll take you through a series of steps to pick your first fitting, whether you want a straight or a 90 or 45 or a 30 or 180. We've got all different sizes. So you pick your fitting, then you pick your second fitting, and then you can start creating your hose length. And we have very detailed instructions on there on how to measure this. So it's very easy to measure these and then submit an order. So what's going to happen is you're going to build 1, 2, 10, 20 hoses, whatever you've got, send them to us. We're going to cut and fit the hoses to the ends, crimp them, and then send them back to you. They're going to be pressure tested and tagged so that you know what you're getting. But it's very easy to do, and it gives you a nice custom look for the finished product, because these all of our fittings are going to be black and silver with the black cloth, like a Kevlar cloth outer covering. So nobody does steel braided stuff anymore. This is kind of all the current stuff, but all the fittings are very high flow. We can do a variety of hoses besides the fuel and oil, but check that out on our website. It's very easy to do, and we can turn these things around within a couple of days after you order, depending on how many you get. If it's just 1 or 2, we can do them the same day. But check it out and let us know what you think, and if you're ready to try it, put your order together and we will build them up and ship them to you. Thanks for watching.